12 men or 24 boys can do a work in 66 days. The number of days in which 15 men and 6 boys can do it is it in. Okay, now from this we can say that whenever is giving a conjunction or, we can say that efficiency of 12 men equivalents to efficiency of 24 boys. From that we can say that 1 man efficiency is equals to 2 boys efficiency. It means whenever it is required, you can replace 1 man with 2 boys or 2 boys with 1 man. Okay, now what is given? 12 men can do the work in how many days? 66 days. 12 men can do the work in 66 days. What is the question is asking? 15 men and 6 boys can do the work in how many days? Now these 6 boys can be replaced with 3 men, because when 2 boys can be replaced with 1 man, 6 boys can be written as 2 boys, 2 boys, 2 boys, which can be replaced with 1 man, 1 man, 1 man. So the 6 boys can be replaced with 3 men. It means with 18 men efficiency, in how many days the work will be completed? If 12 men take 66 days, 18 men will take how many days? Simply have to do m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. 12 into 66 equals to 18 into d. 6 2s are 6 3s are 3 1s are 3 22s are. So the answer is 2 into 22. 44 days is an answer. Option 1. 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days. 6 men and 8 boys can do the work in 10 days. Okay, if the work has to be completed in 1 day, I required 10 times the efficiency of this. It means 10 times efficiency of 6m plus 8b. This implies, okay, this is the required. Next, what is the other condition given? 26 men and 48 boys can do the same in 2 days. What is the other case is given? 26 men and 48 boys can do the work in 2 days. If the work has to be completed in 1 day, I required twice the efficiency of this. Twice the efficiency of this. So 2 times 26 men and 48 boys. If you observe carefully, this efficiency, with this efficiency the work is completed in 1 day. With this efficiency also the work is completed in 1 day. It means we can equate these two efficiencies. Now 60 men plus 80 boys efficiency equivalent to 52 men and 96 boys efficiency. Simplification will get 8 men equivalent to 16 boys efficiency. So 1 man equivalent to 2 boys efficiency. Efficiency of 1 man equal to 2 boys. Whenever 2 boys are there, you can replace with 1 man, or whenever boys are there, you can replace with them. 2 boys is there, you can replace with 1 man, or 1 man can be replaced with 2 boys. Now look at the question carefully. 6 men can do 6 men and 8 boys. Now I can replace this 8 boys with 4 men. Okay, now 6 men and 4 men is how much? 10 men. So 10 men can do the work in 10 days. Now what is the question is asking? 15 men and 20 boys. These 20 boys can be replaced with 10 men, because 2 boys can be replaced with 1 man. So 20 boys can be replaced with 10 men. So 10 men plus 15 men, that is nothing but 25 men. So 25 men can do the same work in how many days? Simply you can go with the formula m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. Send 10 into 10 is equals to 25 into d. On simplification you will get d equal to 4. So option 2 is an answer. Now 5 men can do a piece of work in 6 days. If 5 men can do a work in 6 days, 1 man can do the work in how many days? 30 days. Okay, now 10 women can do it in 5 days. If 10 women take 5 days, 1 woman will do how many days? 50 days. Okay, assume the total work as 150 units. Assume total work as 150 units. Okay, 150 units. Now it means 1 man is doing how many units per day? 5 units per day, because 1 man is taking 30 days to complete 150 units. So per day 1 man will do 5 units per day. Similarly 1 woman will do how many units? 3 units per day. Now what is the question? In how many days 5 women and 3 men can do the work? 5 women efficiency plus 3 men can do the work in. So 5 women will do how many units per day? 1 woman is doing 3 units per day. So 5 women will do 15 units per day, and 3 men will do 3 into 5, 15 units per day. Together this group is doing how many units per day? 30 units per day. Working with this efficiency, working 30 units per day to complete 150 units, the time required, number of days required, equivalent to total work, which is 150, work done per day, that is 30. 150 by 30, which is equals to 5 days. Option 2 is an answer. 3 men or 6 women can do a piece of work in 16 days. It means 3 men can be replaced with 6 women because R is given. So 1 man can be replaced with 2 women. Now what is given? 3 men is taking 16 days to complete the work. 12 men and 8 women. Okay, 12 men. 8 women can be replaced with 4. Observe carefully. 8 women can be replaced with 4 men because 2 women's efficiency is equal to 1 man efficiency. So 8 women's efficiency will become 4 men's efficiency. 4 men efficiency. Okay. Now 12 men and 4 men. That is nothing but 16 men can do the work in how many days? So you can go with the formula M1D1. 3 into 16 equals to 16 into D. On simplification, we get D equal to 3. The answer is option 3. A man, a woman, and a boy can complete a job in 3, 4, and 12 days respectively. It means one man is taking 3 days to complete a work, and one woman is taking 4 days, one boy is taking 12 days respectively. Assume the total work as 12 units. Total work as 12 units. Nothing but LCM of 3, 4, and 12. Okay. Now work done per day. So one man will do how many units per day? 4 units per day. One woman will do 3 units per day. One boy will do 1 unit per day. Now what is the case? One man, say how many boys must assist one man and one woman to complete the job in a day? Now one man and one woman are doing how many units per day? 7 units per day. Now still how many units is left over? 5 units is left over because 7, the gap is 5. To do 5 units, how many boys is required? 5 boys is required because each boy is doing 1 unit. To do 5 units are required 5 boys. Simply the answer is option 3. 16 men is equivalent to 20 women. 16 men equivalent to 20 women, or because 16 men or 20 women, we can say that 4 men can be replaced with 5 women. If there are 10 women, it can be replaced with 8 men. If there are 15 women, they can be replaced with 12 men. Okay. Now here observe carefully. 16 men can do a work in 25 days. It means 16 men can do the work in 25 days, or 20 women can do the work in 25 days. I am taking men. 16 men can do the work in 25 days. Now in what time will 28 men and 15 women do it? So 15 women can be replaced with how many men? 12 men. 15 women can be replaced with 12 men. Now what is the total efficiency? 28 plus 12, 40 men. So 40 men will do it how many days? Simply 16 into 25 equal to 40 into D. 8 2s are 8 5s are 5 1s 5 5s. On simplification, D equal to 10 days. The option 4 is an answer. 4 men and 6 women can do a piece of work in 12 days, working 7 hours a day. Here is clearly given 7 hours a day. So 12 into 7, how many hours they worked? 84 hours. 4 men or 6 women, it can be written as efficiency of 4 men equals to efficiency of 6 women. So 2 men can be replaced with 3 women. 2 men can be replaced with 3 women, or 3 women can be replaced with 2 men. Now how many hours they work total? 84 hours. They worked 84 hours. Listen carefully. 4 men are taking 84 hours. It is nothing but 12 into 7. Now in how many days will it take to complete a work twice as large with 10 men and 3 women? So this 10 men and 3 women, observe carefully, 10 men and 3 women. Okay, these 3 women can be replaced with 2 men. So this efficiency 10 men and 3 women can be nothing but 12 men. We will take how many hours to complete twice the work? Here twice the work. What is the formula? M1 D1 H1 by W1 equivalent to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Now what is M1 given? 4. How many days? This 84 hours get 12 into 7. It means days is 12, hours is 7, work is W, let it be. Now M2, how many men are there? 12 men. We have to find days. How many hours they are working? 8. Now the work has to be double because twice work twice as large. Okay, twice. It means 2W. W and W will get cancels. 12 and 12 will get cancels. 2 ones, 2 fours, 4 will get cancels, implies D equal to 7. The answer is option 2. A man, a woman and a boy together finish the work in 6 days. It means 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy can do the work in 6 days. If a man and a woman can do the work in, 1 man can do the work in how many days? 10 days. 1 woman can do the work in 24 days. Okay. Assume total work equals to LCM of 6, 10 and 24, which is equals to 120. Now work done per day, let us say 6 days 120. So per day they will do how many units? 20 units. 10 days 120. So per day they will do how many units? 12 units. 24 days 120 units. So per day they will do how many units? 5 units. Nothing but total work by number of days. Now 1 man is doing 12 units, 1 woman is doing 5 units. 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy, all 3 together are doing 20 units. It means 1 boy will do how many units? Simply 3 units. 1 boy will do 3 units because man is doing 12, 1 woman is doing 5. 12 plus 5, 17. What is the units of work is left over? 3 units of work is left over per day. It means 1 boy is doing 3 units per day. Working 3 units per day, a boy will take how much time to complete the work? Simple, total work by work done per day, which is equals to 40 days. The answer is option